How to turn on or turn off TalkBack on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on TalkBack, then tap on the toggle button to turn it on. From the pop-up, tap on allow to switch it on.
TalkBack on. TalkBack. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
To switch it off, you can tap on the
On. TalkBack. Switch.
tap on the on toggle
Double
button,
tap to activate.
and you can double tap to switch it off.
Off. Turn off TalkBack.
Then tap on turn off,
button.
then
TalkBack
double
off.
tap to turn it off. Just gonna lower down the volume, and that's it. So that is how you can switch it on. When you want to switch it off, you have to first select the item, then double tap to switch it off. Then tap on it, tap on the turn off, then double tap to switch it off. You can also ask Bixby to turn off or turn on TalkBack as well. So if you have assigned the side button to turn on Bixby, so when you press and hold, you can assign Bixby to it. At the moment, I do not have Bixby assigned to it, so when I press, you can see it does not open up Bixby. So press and hold on the side button here. Turn off TalkBack.
You have it turned off.
Turn on TalkBack.
I need your permission to do that. Okay, it's on.
Turn off TalkBack.
It's now off.
That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.